Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods, and I'm so excited to be bringing you the crane. Oh yes, my friends at home, I'm going to show you how to create your very own origami crane. Materials that you're going to need: origami paper or copier paper, printer paper that's cut at a square, and your hands. So now, grab those materials and let's begin. Okay friends, so let's get started on this origami crane. What I have a square sheet of origami paper. You can use copier paper, printer paper. In my case, I have pink on one side, white on the other side. So the pink side is going to be against the table. I'm going to go directly across and create a diagonal fold to begin. So we want to make sure that we're rolling, holding, and get a fold, and crease that fold either with a fingernail or a thumbnail. So roll, hold, fold, then crease. Now we're going to take the right side over to the left side. We're going to open it up, so it has to be opening up on the right side. You're going to open this halfway. We're going to take the top point and meet the bottom point, but by doing so we're going to open the paper up, and when it comes down it's going to form a square. So here's what that looks like. We're going to flip it over and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So remember, anytime you can stop this video, restart it, rewind it in case you miss anything. So here it is. Open it up first. Point goes from the top down to the bottom, and it's going to create a square. Make sure you get the paper where you like it before you really press down and fold and crease the paper. So here we go. It needs to open up just like that, facing you. So set her down. We're going to fold up the left side. And just a tip, don't go past that fold. Sometimes I like to go a little bit short because it makes it a lot easier to fold it up. Do it on the right. We're going to flip it over, and we're going to do it on the opposite sides as well. And when you're done, it's going to look like a little kite. There we go. And I could have probably got my folds a little bit closer, but it's going to work out. Now we're going to open those up and take that point up to the top and go back in on itself, and it's going to be a diamond. Remember, just be patient, roll that paper a little bit, get it where you like it, and press it down, come back in, and crease the folds down. And by now you realize that whatever we do on one side, we're going to do on the opposite side, pretty much for the entire crane. Open it up. Again, just work that paper. So now it's kind of in the shape of a diamond. And it's like it's got little feet here. And that's going to become the head and the tail. Fold in slightly here. Do it on the left. Do it on the right. Stand up, sit down, fight, fight, fight. All right, let's flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Here we go. Now it's time to do 2 inverted folds. So here's what we have right there. This is going to be either the tail or the head or tail. You'll decide after you invert this fold. So I open it up, I push out, and it needs to, if it goes straight up you won't see the tail, so you want the angle out just a little bit. And I'm going to fold that even more after I get the other side done. Same thing on the other side. And then you just make it look as symmetrical as you can. This is going to be good enough. Fold it down. And then I'm going to decide, and I look at which fold looks the best. That's going to become the head. The other side will be the tail, because we'll do one more inverted fold for the head. So it's going to come in and down. That becomes the head. There it is. And that's what it looks like on one side. Same thing on the other side. Now we're going to pull the wings. So I open it up. I give the wings a slight pull. And then that flattens this piece down right there. And then you have your crane. There it is. There's a crane from the front, the side, the back, and the top. Hey friends, I really enjoyed folding this origami crane right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. And after you create your very first origami crane, don't stop there. Create another one, and then another. Keep folding until you have it down and you feel comfortable. After you create one that you really like, take a good picture of it, upload it onto my Facebook page. I can't wait to see your cranes. Remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.